Unveiling the Secret Admirer. Understanding Coy Admirer in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, Coy Admirer. You may have heard it in movies, read it in books, or stumbled upon it in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started on this fascinating journey of words. The phrase, Coy Admirer, consists of two words, coy and admirer. Let's break them down. Coy. The word, coy, is an adjective that describes a person who is pretending to be shy or modest. It can also mean showing reluctance to give details about something personal or intimate. Admirer. An admirer is a noun used to describe someone who has a particular regard or respect for someone else, often in a romantic context. An admirer may have feelings of love or affection. When we combine these two words, a coy admirer refers to someone who has a romantic interest in another person but is shy or reluctant to show their feelings openly. Now let's see how to use coy admirer in sentences. Example 1. Sarah noticed she had a coy admirer who kept sending her anonymous love letters. Example 2. At the party, Jake played the role of a coy admirer, stealing glances at Maria but never approaching her. Example 3. A coy admirer might like your photos on social media but won't comment publicly. By using the phrase in different contexts, you can practice your understanding and become comfortable with its nuances. The concept of a coy admirer is popular in literature and media. It's often used to create a sense of mystery and intrigue around a character's romantic interest. It can lead to various plot developments, from comedy to drama. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation clears up any confusion about the phrase, coy admirer, and adds a new expression to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little subtleties that make it so rich and expressive. Keep practicing, and don't be a coy learner. Share your thoughts and questions with us. Until next time, happy learning!